How to dropship from Temu to Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk through an existing and profitable way to dropship product from Temu into your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. As you know guys, Temu is one of the most popular e-commerce platform for dropshipping and importing product. So make sure to finish this video until the end, and I will guide you with the easy method to import products to your Shopify store for free and without no pre-experience. So let's get started. First guys, go and open your Shopify dashboard. Then on the bottom, hit on settings. Then go directly to apps and sales channel. Then guys, on the top, hit on Shopify App Store. Then guys, I will give you then I will show you the easy method to download this application. His name is Dropshipping or Dropshipman Easy Dropshipping. As you know guys, this application gives you free plan available and also easy to use for a beginner and also for a dropshippers. Then hit on install. Then guys, again hit on install. Now guys, your application was installed successfully. Then first guys, go directly to list a product. Then guys, first before starting to import product, you need to go and hit on list products and hit on import products from Temu. Then guys, go directly to add an extension to your browser, Dropshipman Google extension. Then hit on Dropshipman Google extension. Then you need to download this extension and add it to your browser. Then hit on add to Chrome. Then hit on add extension. Now wait a few seconds to install this extension on your browser. Now guys, your extension was successfully installed on your browser. Just hit on the extension icon and make sure to make it pin. Now guys, your extension was created successfully. Then guys, go directly and open a new browser. Then in the search bar, type Dropshipman. Then open the account or official account Dropshipman, www.dropshipman.com. Then guys, you need to create an account on this Dropshipman website. Then after, wait a few seconds and I will show you how you can easily create an account. Just I have already created an account. For example, just hit on logout. Then again, go back and hit on login or register. Then if you have already, just hit on login, and if you want to create an account, just hit on register, for example like this. And you can easily add your email address and password and confirm password. Then hit on create account. Or if you already have an account, just hit on login. Now guys, you need to add your email address and the password. Then hit on login. Then it will take you to your account on Dropshipman. Then first guys, after creating your account on Dropshipman, just go back and open Temu account. For example, select which product that you want to import. I will select a random product, for example, for dropshipping. Give me a second to find the dropshipping product. For example, like this one is a dropshipper product. No, it's not this one. It's this one guys. Now guys, this is the product. If you want to import the product from Temu to Shopify, then automatically after creating your account on Dropshipman and adding the extension, then automatically add to my product list. It will appear automatically. Then hit on add to my product list. Then please click Dropshipman extension to log in. Go back and open Dropshipman. Then hit on connect to Shopify. Then hit on open, because I have already installed the application on my Shopify. Then wait a few seconds to connect your Dropshipman to your Shopify account. As you see guys, your Dropshipman account was created and linked successfully with Shopify. Then guys, just go back and open Temu product and reload the page again. Then wait a few seconds to to add my product list, then hit on my add my product list. As you see guys, product added successfully. Please check the in dropship main list not listed. Just go back and open your Shopify and hit on list product. As you see guys, your product was added to your dropshipman application. Then before starting dropshipping and import product to Shopify store, first you need to customize the product first. For example, customize the title, just 8 pieces covered shower door rules like this, and remove this to make it more professional. If you want to add some collections, some tags and product type, remove this. Then if you want to add some tag, then hit on again description. Then if you want to add some description, as you see guys, the description product was imported also with the picture. Then guys, go directly to customize the variation. If the product has the variation, you can easily import customize it. Then on the last, hit the media. If some pictures, if you want to change and remove any picture from this product, then after selecting the product and added the product, just go back and you need to hit on list product. Then list as a published product or continue selling when the product out of stock. For example, list a published product, hit on done. Then wait a few seconds to import product to your Shopify store. Then wait a few seconds. It's very easy. As you know guys, as you see guys, the product was added successfully. Just go to listed section, then you will find the product was successfully listed. Then go back to your Shopify product, then hit on product section. Now your product was added successfully to your Shopify store without no issue and without no paid version application. As you see guys, this is the easy method without no problem. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.